Hi, in this video we'll tackle the slim fix of Purrustics and does this weight loss juice really work? So as you can see, Purrustic SlimFix is marketed as a natural arboritic weight management drink with blending 9 herbs such as tripala, cricuta, turmeric, dandelion, and more. So this product claims to boost metabolism, support fat loss, and detoxify the body. Regarding its legitimacy, Slimfix is produced as a GMP certified facility and is approved by Ministry of Ayush, which is India's regulatory body for traditional medicine. So Puristic is backed by Ambiko Ayurvedic Healthcare, which is a family business with over 50 years. So according to Scam Advisor, Puristic.com has an average to good trust score with no evidence of phishing, malware, or scam activity. Now, regarding the customer feedback, customer testimonials on Puristic website are generally positive, with users reporting weight loss, improved energy, and better digestions. Some mention specific results like losing 3 to 4 kilograms in a few weeks using this. However, a user review summarizes Slimfix is marketed as a natural aid, while some users report benefits, but results can vary per user as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.